Okay, look at my beautiful collard greens. Y'all looking big and beautiful there. Okay, collard greens. Look at those big beautiful leaves. Gonna harvest some of you guys today. Okay. Hey, the rest of y'all come on and grow big. Okay, look at here. I was surprised when I came out and was looking at my asparagus that I have some asparagus spears growing here that I'm gonna harvest today. Look at you. Look at you. Okay, I see two right there. All right now. Okay, asparagus. Looking good. There's another one over here that I saw. Let's see, where are you? Where are you? There you are. Look at you. Nice size spear. Okay. Gonna harvest you guys today. Okay, asparagus. Continue to do your job. So it's a lot of asparagus. Okay, look how beautiful my red mustard greens are. Ooh, they say red mustard green, but y'all look like y'all got some burgundy color to you. Beautiful. Okay. Over here I got more collard greens. Got some onion and some garlic sprouting up in here. Come on. Y'all continue to grow big and big. Okay, let me get busy harvesting some collard greens. Look at these beautiful leaves here. Look at you. Okay. Let's see, I just break you on off here. Look at that. Look. Looking good. Looking good. Okay. Let's get another one. Okay. Harvest all the bigger leaves and leave the smaller ones there so they can continue to grow big and beautiful too. Look at you. Okay. Okay, collard greens. Okay, let's see. Get you right here. Looking beautiful and green. Big and beautiful. Okay. Okay, collard green. Okay. Love me some collard greens. Okay, collard greens. Okay. Nice and beautiful leaves. Okay, collard green. Now you little ones, y'all come on and continue to grow. Big and beautiful collard greens for us. Yes. Nice bunch of collard greens here. Okay, I think let me take you too. Okay, you little ones, come on in and grow big for us. I think I'll take one more. this big one here. Okay, looking good. Let's see. Now, I don't want to leave you out here, big one. I'll bring you on in too. Okay. The rest of y'all continue to get bigger for us. Come on, collard greens. Okay, let me get ready to harvest these asparagus spears here. Look at this one. This one is a real thick spear. Okay. All right now. Look at you. Okay, asparagus. Looking good. I'm gonna enjoy eating you. Yes. Okay, let me get this other one down here. Okay. Look at you, asparagus. Maybe it'll just break you off. Let's see. Yep. Look at you. Look at that. Okay. Okay, let me go over here and get this other one. See if I can just break this one off too. Look at you, look at you. Okay, asparagus. Okay, look at you. Okay, asparagus. Nice and thick and long asparagus. Grown and Bit Mama's garden. Look up here my harvest today. Asparagus and collard greens. Grown and Bit Mama's garden.